Yeah, I mean, it's yeah, it's interesting to speculate on it. I think it's difficult to say what's going to happen. It's almost impossible. But you see other countries that are preparing, the BRICS countries, anyone that's not related to NATO in the West, they're loading up on gold because they know the writing is on the wall. What I would say to people is that not to worry about what system we're going to get, just protect your savings by having a little bit of gold and silver. That's, I think, trying to say whether we're going to have a Bretton Woods 2.0 or not is difficult. Ideally, I wouldn't want to have any conferences between major powers. Uh, Basically, just let the market take care of itself. But we'll have to see. Hopefully, they won't. CBDC, I mean, some people think CBDCs could be a bad thing in terms of personal liberty. Some people think it's okay. It's just better technology. But if they bring in CBDCs and the system, after the system collapses, they will have to back that CBDC by some kind of monetary asset like gold and silver. So because they might try to just say, "Oh, it's a new currency, it's good," but if they back it by nothing, I think it might work for a year or two, and then people realize, well, this is just as worthless as the previous system we had.